Next section, how to become professional carder. So there are requirements for carding. To become professional carder, which is pro carder, here is what you need. Firstly, you need a computer or desktop or laptop, whatever, including phone is also fine, but I recommend computer. You should use it for safety purpose. The second thing, you need CC cleaner to clear your cage. This is very important. I will cover this whole part in upcoming video. Third one, you should have SOCKSFY IP address so that you will be not caught. Fourth one, use VPN or RDP. You can use both, but I will explain it in detail. Fifth one, you need a list of working email address like Google, Yahoo Mail and Outlook Mail, because in this case temporary mail which are available on internet, they are easily detectable and website will delete the entire shopping procedure which you have made using that mail, so your order will be cancelled. Sixth one, you need virtual machine, because to be anonymous and to be safe you need virtual machine. So there are various virtual machine available in market like VirtualBox, VMware Workstation. You can install Windows in there and use it for safety purpose. And the most important thing, which is CC, which is credit card. You can buy from Surface Web or Dark Web or Deep Web, whatever. I will show you entire procedure from zero to hero. I will make you, and you will be able to purchase CC from Dark Web as well as Surface Web. Then comes user agent fingerprint spoofing tool, which is FraudFox anti-detect browser. I will perform practically and you will learn how to use it in upcoming videos. And ninth one, you have done all the things, but how the product will reach to you. So we will use drop method. There are various drop method available which I will tell you in the later part. Thank you.